I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to fix Roblox fish not loading. First, let's cover some initial troubleshooting steps. Always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and fast enough. Next, verify that Roblox servers are up and running. You can usually find this information on their official status page. A simple restart of both your Roblox application and your computer can often resolve minor glitches, so give that a try. Moving on, managing your game data is crucial. Start by clearing your Roblox cache files, which are often found in your device's temporary folders. If that does not work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox application can often fix deeper issues by providing fresh game files. Also, make sure you have at least 1 GB of free storage space on your device, as insufficient space can cause loading problems. Next, let's look at your network and security settings. Temporarily disable any active VPN or proxy services, as these can sometimes interfere with game connections. It is also important to adjust your firewall settings to ensure Roblox has full access. Check your router for any restrictive parental controls that might be blocking the game. If possible, try connecting to a different network like a mobile hotspot to see if the issue persists. Finally, for more advanced solutions, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version. Outdated drivers can cause display issues. You might also try running Roblox in compatibility mode, especially if you are using an older operating system. If all else fails, do not hesitate to contact Roblox support. Provide them with as much detailed information as possible, including screenshots or video recordings, to help them quickly diagnose and resolve your problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.